Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a 60-second story on your Instagram. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to upload a 60-second story on Instagram, first you have to open your Instagram and click on your story. Now once you go on your story, you want to choose a video which is more than 1 minute. So I'm going to go with this one which says 1 minute 20 seconds. Now from over here, I can select up to 60-second video. Now it's going to be selected for 60-second automatically, as you guys can see. But the things you can change is which 60-second of the video do you want? Do you want this 60-second or the last 60-second or the first? You can drag the video left and right and choose which 60-second of the video you want, because Instagram does allows you to post the 60-second story. The only thing is you have to choose which part of the video or which 60-second you want to use. Click on done, click on the arrow at the bottom of your screen, click on share and click on done, and this will be posted on your story, and you just posted a 60-second story on your Instagram. So that's how you guys can add a 60-second story on your Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.